I'm Joy Hatch, and I'm the Senior Director of Client Success at CampusWorks. When I think about enterprise systems, I think of the amount of resources that each campus has poured into their enterprise system. And the reality is you keep those systems around for 25, 30 years before you ever think about replacing them. And what happens over those years is that you will add different pieces to it. And you will find a component that's not in the system that your ERP doesn't contain, and you'll go buy a third-party solution and you'll add that on. And over time, the enterprise systems vendors will then add that component. But because you're so invested in your third party, you don't end up replacing it. And now you have a whole solution that's made of add-ons, and your enterprise system gets sluggish. If you actually want to know how that enterprise system is working, an ERP assessment will help you do that. When we do an ERP assessment for your campus, we will talk to users on your campus. We will learn what's going wrong, what's going right, what would you like to do with your system, and we'll be able then at the end of that to tell you, can you fix your current system? What can you do to make that right? Or should you really be looking at a whole brand new system? But that ERP assessment is key to making that happen. So if you've decided, or if you decide through an ERP assessment that you really need a new ERP, this is where CampusWorks really shines. CampusWorks will help you find that solution that meets your needs. It doesn't matter what I think or what I feel. What really matters is, what do you need? We will go through a process. We'll help you figure out what the features are that you're going to need in your new system. We'll write that into an RFP. We will then work with you and the vendors and create scripts for the vendors and help you evaluate through this whole process. At the end of this, I can tell you right now that all the engagements I've worked on, there has been 100% consensus from everybody on which solution they should select. You can depend on CampusWorks to be there for you, to help you meet your needs and to help you find that solution that is going to work for you.